Boom! I just received another large payment of $10,135.09. This is the exact thing I saw as soon as I rolled out of bed this morning. Wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to that? These earnings were deposited to my bank account, and I can spend them however I want. I tell you, after doing this for 15 years, the thrill of making money while you sleep never gets old. Today's earnings will likely go towards buying my daughter a new car, because for me, family is everything. So, how did I pull it off? It's all possible by using a unique hack on Instagram, a hack that pays us $143 per hour in profit. But do you need to post photos because it's Instagram? Nope. Although I like to do it for fun, there's no need for me to be taking pictures to make money, because my app InstaPayz does all the work for me. The best part is, this is all 100% legal, so we're making money whether Instagram likes it or not. InstaPayz is the world's first system that's letting me make money from Instagram without having to take any photos myself. It allows me to build a profile of 1.2 million followers on Instagram, which turns into a minimum of $143 per hour. Proof. And here's the best part. Because you don't have to spend money on anything like hosting, auto-responding, chatbots, domains, or any of that other nonsense. Every penny we make, we get to keep as profit. But is this complicated? Far from it. It's so easy, a caveman could do it. All it takes is just 3 clicks of your mouse. So now that you've heard about InstaPayz, you might be wondering, how much is this going to cost me? Well, it cost me tens of thousands to develop this system, along with hundreds of hours of work. This is a proven and reliable system that's made over 100 beta testers money. So, what do you think would be a reasonable price? $300 per month? Since InstaPayz would quickly pay for itself, that's a steal of a price. But we get it. There are so many scams and nonsense out there that it can be nerve-wracking to try out something new. We don't blame you at all. So, to make this an easier decision for you, we're going to offer you InstaPayz at a low price that anyone can afford. And if that wasn't enough, you have a full 365 days to get your money back if anything goes wrong. Plus, we'll throw in $300 just as a nice gesture for wasting your time. The ball is now in your court, my friend. You have no risk on your end. You can either leave this page and continue going down the path of figuring out yourself, which might work for you, but it could take you years to see results. Why do that when there's a shortcut like InstaPayz? Remember, InstaPayz is the system we're getting paid $143 per hour with by exploiting a completely legal hack on Instagram. And with all of our recent testing and tweaking, it's optimized to make our members more money than ever before. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to make this year great? Then take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of InstaPayz at the lowest price. Click number 1. Access InstaPayz online on your computer or mobile phone. This works on any device out there, as long as it's connected to the internet. Click number 2. Activate. You'll be able to use the same loophole that's paying us $143.79 per hour. It's all push-button simple. You can't mess this up. And click number 3. We get paid to our bank accounts or PayPal. This is the best part, obviously. Once we've turned on InstaPayz, the cash never stops coming in. Proof. InstaPayz works from any computer or phone. Whether you have Windows, Mac, Android, or iPhone, it will work with InstaPayz as long as it's connected to the internet. And by the way, if you aren't the best with technology, I get it. So I made it so easy that even my parents could use it, who know next to nothing about computers. Meaning you don't need any tech experience whatsoever. It's all push-button easy.